What's up guys, Cody here with CJ Built, and today I'm going to be trying to do a blow valve install on the Altezza. Right now I have the CX Racing blow valve, not too big of a fan, and I'm going to try to change over to HKS Sequential. So right now I'm going to head to my friends over at Treadstone because they have an adapter, so that way I'll be able to put the HKS onto the CX Racing or Greddy on flange without having to change piping or anything. So I'm gonna try that out. Judging by the title of this video, whether it made it online is whether it works or not. So if you guys are seeing this right now, eventually in this video an HKS is on this car. Alright guys, so we just made it to Treadstone. I'm gonna stay on the GoPro when I go inside because I don't want to be carrying my DSLR around the shop. So yeah guys, let's go inside and let's go get that adapter. Treadstone. What's up, man? How you doing? $600 horsepower. Treadstone got stuff for everything. You need piping. They got turbo kits for all these. You remember Pedro from the previous videos? You can't forget him. We got Victor over here. Alright guys, so this is what I picked up today. It is basically the adapter to go from HKS to the Greddy flange. So when I get home, I'm going to try it out. I'll bring you guys along. You know, not much I can really show you. And then if it works, then we'll do sound test. Compare it to the CX Racing that we all so much love. And then that'll be the end of the video, guys. Short video. You know, hopefully it all goes smoothly. Knowing me, it won't, because I always have a bunch of problems that should not exist. Big shout out to Treadstone for hooking it up. You know, they're by my house, so I always slide here when I need any parts. I was looking on Amazon and Google for this part, and I saw Treadstone come up. So why not just slide to Treadstone? They're right here.
And they're awesome.
I promise I am not sponsored by Treadstone, but they always hooking it up. You know what? Check out Treadstone. Alright guys, now let's head home and let's try out this adapter. What's up guys? So thank you. Alright, what's up guys? So as soon as I got home, I decided to attack the blow valve, and my GoPro died while I was filming, so I have no footage of the install. It just started pouring as I'm saying this. Bro, Miami weather. Alright, as I was saying, halfway through the install the GoPro died, so I really don't have any footage other than just taking off my old the old blow valve. So basically what I did was, the adapter that I got from Treadstone basically was like this. So all you have to do was get a C-clip and get it in the grooves with the blow valve on top. And I mean, if you guys want to know more about how I got the blow valve onto the actual adapter, then I'll post a video on it. If not, then it's a little bit of a pain in the ass because the C-clips are just annoying. I don't know, I've never been a fan of using the C-clips on those, but that's what you have to do. But it's really annoying. It takes a few tries before you get it on, but once you get it on, you're good. So this was on it before. I had the CX Racing blow valve. Wasn't too big of a fan of it. I didn't really like the high-pitched whistle that it produced. But as you can see how it has this flange on the bottom, the HKS only has this bottom. It's circular. So with that adapter, I was able to bolt it up to this flange. It's literally been about 5 minutes since I said it started pouring. Like you can see, it's still a little wet, and it's already beautiful out. So we're gonna go around the block, see how the blow valve sounds. And yeah guys, that'll probably be the end of the video. I'm just gonna get some sound clips real quick and then call it a day. I am ready. Alright guys, she's all warmed up. Ooh, that sounds good. Ooh boy. Ooh boy, that sounds good. Your boy's making noises. Your boy's making noises, and it ain't no. Sounds like I gained 50 horsepower right there. It's just pushing like 900 right now. Sounds good. Don't mind the fact that my car is freaking parqueado. It's not tuned yet, so she's still slow. By the way, guys, I am not just holding my camera. I have it mounted, held on my chest with my neck strap. So I'm not that much of a nuisance to the world. I'm a responsible driver. Okay. Oh baby, that sounded good. So yeah, guys, that's basically gonna be the end of the video. I told you we're gonna have an HKS on this car by the end of the video. I told you, you know, made some good sounds. You know, sounds fast. Still not there yet, but it sounds fast. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next week's videos. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that shit. And I'll see you guys on the next video.
Riding in the third with the all black tent. Smoke one hoe, get high with a pimp. Kick the front door, bitch, better bust out. Sipping no dip while we break down the lap. Just know one thing,